Welcome to a Fishakeem_reacts Vlogmas episodes.
Welcome back to Official Keem Reacts YouTube channel. So on this reaction, we're gonna react to Chris Stapleton Cold CMA Awards 2021. So this is actually my first time giving my honest opinion on this and also reacting to it. So without further ado, people. Oh yes, and love from Jamaica, greetings from Jamaica. So let's see what you have to say on this one. Peace.
Girl, the way you broke my heart, shattered like a rock through and
Okay, so this is Chris Stapleton, right? A man with excellence, a man with substantial music, a man with a positive mindset for the upcoming generations, right? So this is the type of music that people should really listen to, because music like these literally give a better impact of what is being sung today, right? And this is the reason why I came across this video, because I really do like Chris Stapleton's voice, his musical career, everything is just really a great body of work, right? Let's continue.
thought we had it so good. Never really saw this coming. Oh, why you got to be so cold? Why you got to go and cut me like a knife?
Okay, so the way he pulled that note way up high, the way he so calm with his voice is giving a very cold, right, rough voice in a way. I have to say, music like this is really a phenomenal thing, because life itself is phenomenal when we do have good music. And Chris Stapleton's performance always seems to get the best of us, right? Always give us a positive impact or a positive energy that good music do exist. And I wish these upcoming artists that is in the American country or wherever should take a page out of this man's book, because these are the type of music people should sing, right? Music with substance, music with a soul connecting connection. If you guys do understand what I'm saying. So let's continue.
Put our love on ice. Oh, girl, you know you left this home right here in the middle of my soul. Oh, why you got to be so cold?
Even though it's a heartbreaking song, even though it's a song that is singing what he's experienced already, right? It's literally showing what he has went through, right? Even if some artists, right, should write their story, it's not believable. But this man's song is really a believable song. A song that we can look through and say, hey, whoa, this one is really a stupid, right? Whoa, excellent. I mean, like, we're in a age and a era right now where these things happen so often, right? And for this man to come and highlight that, it's really an amazing thing. Music is really a nice thing when it comes down to the artistic way of listening to it. It becomes so personal. If we're going through a personal stuff when you listen to this song, it gives us a win.
What am I supposed to say? Anybody asks me about you, if I tell them I'm without you. Oh, and how am I supposed to live?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is so photographic, right? Just imagine, right? Someone is in a relationship, right? And they're going through a lot. A lot of people know them the way they literally know them personally, right? And this woman is being so cold. A lot of people experiences them, right? Now, what will this man say to those people who have already known them? Or would they feel, or would they react based on the situation that this man is going through? It is so shagged up more time. We have someone who we really loved and they are playing as if we are not loving them. They are giving us the things that it is not of us, right? They are giving things that is not something that we should love. They are giving us something that is going to fade away soon. What would you tell these people, right? If they find out that this woman is being so cold? It would be a tragic story, a shocking story, a heartbreaking story. Very beautiful song, bro. I really do like the concept of this story. The storyline is perfect. Perfect song name. It is just so on point. Let's continue.
When I built my life around you, try to put yourself in my shoes. Oh, why you got to be so cold? Why you got to go and cut me like a knife and put our love on ice?
This song doesn't need any more explanation. What a cold-hearted, dumb bro. Why sometimes woman can be so hard on man? Right? Why would they have to be so hard? Just to give the man a chance to love him? She's being so cold. This guy put his life on the line just for this woman. And this woman is giving him that in return. Stupid, dumb. Let's continue. Wow. Bro, I want to say thank you so much for sharing your story. I've been through this before. It's a tough situation to get the problem solved. It's really hard, bro. It's really hard. Trust me.
Why you gotta be
A beautiful story. Very beautiful story. A realistical story.
Oh, why you got to be so cold? Why you got to go and cut me like a knife? Put our love on ice.
This woman that this man really loves, right? He puts everything on the line, right? Then eventually she bypassed that. Go ahead with her cold-hearted heart. Cut the man. heart so deeply, the wound cannot be healed. Or will he even go ahead and say he's going to love our next woman? It's going to be so difficult. It's going to be so hard. It's going to be so hard for that man to trust a woman who will love him. No. Instead of that woman that is being cutting him from ever since he started to love her. Bro, this is totally fucked up, man. Totally. Excellent. 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 Guys, I want to say he's singing out his entire heart. This is how some woman treats a man now. In Jamaica where I'm at, it is all over the darn place. The entire country is loaded with this crap, bro. And to see this, I am literally witnessing that it is not just in Jamaica. It is the worldwide thing. It's really hard to comply with, but just hold the faith, my G. Guys, thank you so much for watching. What are your thoughts on this? What are your thoughts on my reaction? What are your thoughts on my comments? If you guys do like that, don't forget to leave a like on the video, smash the subscribe button, and also share it to a friend, telling him about this Jamaican reactor. So, we'll see you next time around. Peace.